Second time for me.
सब ऐसा लग रहा है आसमान में आ गई.
Route is going through my village.
I believe there's an adventure to be had in each one of us, and it's just a process of self-discovery and finding our own self within. I think to me that's the greatest purpose of doing what we do. Discovering ourselves, discovering each other, new perspectives on this world that we cohabit.
In the heart of the Himalayas, where the air is thin and the roads unforgiving, a remarkable journey unfolds on bicycles. But this is no ordinary cycling expedition. This is a story of courage, of resilience, and of the shattering of long-held stereotypes. Welcome to Wheels of Change, an inclusive tandem cycling expedition organized by Adventures Beyond Barriers Foundation, where the riders aren't just facing the physical and mental challenges of a 500-kilometer ride over 7 days. Half of them are doing it blind.
The road is downhill, but look out for each other, and I will be riding with Anand. Alright? So great. Awesome.
So I've been here twice before, and every time I had this goal and a mission that I wanted to reach a particular place or a destination. This time my purpose is letting go of that goal, just be myself in the mountains and feel the ease inside.
मेरा पर्पस सिर्फ एक एडवेंचर नहीं है कि मुझे एडवेंचर करना है, पर मुझे कुछ नेचर के साथ जुड़ना था, इसलिए मैं ये एडवेंचर कर रही हूँ. साइकिलिंग ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है और मैं होपफुली इसे बेस्ट करूँगी.
I'm 22 and I realized I'm not going to get this chance again to take an 8-day trip and go for a cycling expedition. So yeah, I'm just here to have fun and maybe also discover some parts of myself.
This is the mountains. It's home. So anything to do with the mountains. I mean, I may not be cycling, may not be my sport, but just being here, and then especially this region, because this is home. Born in Himachal, so all of this is region and home. I took my first baby steps in these mountains. Then I've done all my mountaineering learning in these mountains. So this region is especially close to the heart. The Dhauladhars and the Pir Panjals are. So I'm super excited.
स्पीति टू साइकिल एक्सपीडिशन मुझे इसलिए करना है क्योंकि ये रूट जो मेरे नया है थ्रू दिस साइकिलिंग, और अदर थिंग्स दिस रूट इज गोइंग थ्रू माय विलेज, सो आई एम सो एक्साइटिंग फॉर दिस cycle expedition.
This is going to be a pride ride because it's like going home to our daughter with a lot of pride.
And 3 hair here, 3 hair here, and 2 what makes your soul shine.
हम हमारे बेटी के घर ही आ रहे हैं और ये हमारी बेटी जैसी ही है. ये हम सब की बेटी है और यहाँ पे इतना सारा प्यार मिल रहा है और एग्मो को इतना सारा प्यार मिल रहा है, इतना गर्व महसूस कर रहे हैं हम।
मैंने भी जो कुछ किया है, मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं अकेले ने किया है। मेरे पीछे बहुत सारे लोगों का सपोर्ट है और नाम लूँ तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा, तो है उस सक्सेस के पीछे। तो जितने भी मैंने सक्सेस किया है वो सब मैं उन सब के नाम करती हूँ और अभी भी कर भी रही हूँ और करते भी रहूँगी। जब तक मेरे अंदर करने की मतलब हिम्मत है, मैं हमेशा करती रहूँगी।
I'm so proud of my captain. And he's never done anything remotely like this. But जो भी इसको कोचिंग दिया मैं पूरा, उसने कितना सब धीरे धीरे अडॉप्ट किया। और पहले तो बोल रहा था कि रुकते रुकते सब एक्सक्यूज किया, बाथरूम जाना है। हमने चल यार 15 मिनट नहीं हुआ है अभी बोलता है चल 4:30 क्या, चलते रहते हैं, जब रोकेगा तब रुकेंगे। I mean, what a change in fucking attitude, man. In the awesome.
It's motivation, and we did it.
That's the thing, yeah.
It was an amazing experience. I went through millions of emotions when I rode along all 8 days, and right from feeling worried to feeling unprepared to now feeling amazing. I think this is a journey that each one of us should do, and this teaches you a lot. It teaches you, to value human relations. It teaches you to make new friends, and it also teaches you to just keep pushing your own boundaries.
I mean, I could be better. I mean, who wouldn't be better in this environment? I mean, just tell me. This is my home. This is my soul.
These cyclists rode their tandems for 7 days across 500 kilometers in the mountains because they all believe disability is not inability and that inclusion is possible. And also because they wanted to have some fun.
We're here to steal Bobby and Kanda Bhajia.
अभी खाने का है बावा।
आवाज नहीं करके मेरा अभी इधर पूरे भी नीचे
आज डबल ट्रिपल करवाएगा बोल।
The Canarian are doing so well they just burst a tire.
को रखने के लिए कुछ बैग नहीं था मेरे पास, तो मैंने होटल से शॉवर बैग लिया है।
तो खत्म हो गया भाई।
ए नो रिकॉर्डिंग, ए मीडिया आउट।